Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you very much. In today's video I want to show you how to peel coconut from the coconut husk. As you can see, these are some of the ones we have prepared. If you have not watched our cold pressed virgin coconut oil and hot pressed coconut oil, the video is on our YouTube channel. This is some of the coconuts we used, so I just want to take you through the process of removing the coconuts. Okay, as you can see, here is our coconut tree. You see, here is our coconut tree we are using for our coconut. We have done various coconut videos like coconut oil. We have done various coconut with tiger nut. So follow us as we want to remove it. You can see this, we just harvested this from the tree, so we want to peel it so that we can use it to prepare another coconut oil. This is how we remove it. You have to be careful. It's so easy. Okay, so this is our coconuts. So I will just do another one to show you how easy it is. Please, if you have not subscribed and you are just seeing us, kindly subscribe. If this is your first time of watching our video, kindly subscribe for more videos. Turn on that post notification bell so that whenever we post an interesting video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget to like, share, comment. Okay, very important. This coconut is big. This is French coconut. Your cutlass needs to be sharp. Needs more. This one is big. As it's big, so also the hooks that protect it is also large. Wow. You see, it's bigger than the first one. Thank you very much for watching. This is how we remove our coconut from the coconut hooks. Okay, this is the coconut hooks that protects the coconut from getting spoiled. As far as the coconut is like this, it can be here for months, but once you uproot it like this, you remove it, it won't last more than 3-4 days. You know, it will start getting spoiled. So this is why nature has done it for it to protect it very well. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.